in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable the memory saver feature on the Brave web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Brave and select the hamburger menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left side, you want to select underneath the System button. Go ahead and select that. And then on the right, underneath System, you want to go down to where it says Memory Saver. Brave frees up memory from inactive tabs. This gives active tabs and other apps more computer resources and keeps Brave fast. Your inactive tabs automatically become active again when you go back to them. Toggle that on in order to enable that, and then you can adjust the sensitivity between moderate, balanced, or maximum savings. Basically, it'll just affect how long a tab remains inactive before switching over to the memory saver mode. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.